Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So I decided to make scones, and I'm going to take you along the journey. So first, you're going to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you're going to put in 3 1/5 cups of flour, 4 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, you're going to mix this together to make sure it's all mixed well. Then, you're going to take 1/3 cup of butter and cut it into cubes, which equates to 5.3 tablespoons. Next, what you're going to want to do is put the cubes of butter in and rub it in between your fingers until your mixture is evenly blended. Next, you're going to pour in the milk and use a tablespoon to fold together. This is going to help make the dough stick to itself. Next, you're going to create a lightly floured surface and put your dough on and pat into a circle about 7 inches across and 1.5 inches in height. I just used the ruler for this, but if you know a tool, you can use that too. Then you're going to cut to 8 pieces. I have a specific tool for this, but again, you can just use a knife if you don't have this. It works the same. Now you're going to want to move that to a lightly floured baking tray. And then just move it into the oven so it can bake. You're going to let it bake for about 18 to 25 minutes and rotate it halfway through. Anyways, this turned out so good. I love scones so much. You can put jam, butter, chocolate sauce on them. I recommend eating it with some tea in the morning. It's a really nice breakfast. Also, you can add some other stuff to it if you know anything good for that. Anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I love you guys. Goodbye!